Hi Scholarly friends! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you want to know how to quickly copy formatting using Painting tool in Google Docs, then keep on watching this video. You can copy the formatting of text, cells, or an object with the Paint Format tool. On your computer, open a Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides file. Select the text, range of cells, or object you want to copy the format of. In the toolbar, click Paint Format. Your cursor icon will change to show you're in Paint Format mode. Select what you want to paste the formatting onto. The formatting will change to be the same as the formatting you copied. To paste the formatting in multiple places, double-click Paint Format. When you're done, click Paint Format. You can also use some keyboard shortcuts to easily use this tool. To copy the formatting of selected text, press for Windows or Chrome OS or for Mac. To apply the formatting you copied to a different text selection, press for Windows or Chrome OS or for Mac. And that's it! Let us know how you get on in the comment section below. Hit the subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you will be notified on our next upload. Thanks and check out our other videos.